Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this rain chain. It's this really pretty copper chain. It's about 5 feet long from the bottom all the way to the top bell, and then you got about 8 inches of chain, and then you have a holder up there. You can just hook the chain onto, anything, or you can use the provided little metal holder thing. It's what each little bell looks like. And there's 8 of these. So basically when the rain comes, then it'll go from, like, if you have the rain gutter thing, it'll drip down, and then the water will basically follow this chain all the way down, and then each little bell can help with the splashing or anything like that, and then you direct it into a bucket or your rain catcher barrel. Here's what this piece looks like. There's no holes, just goes like that. And then really shiny, pretty chain in each of these bells. It's thin, but not thin enough that you can, that it dents or bends too easily. But it is a thin copper, shiny and pretty. So there you go, really pretty product. If there are any questions, go ahead and leave them for me in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.